Welcome to the ultimate LinkedIn makeover. Boost 10 ways to boost your profile on LinkedIn. Think of LinkedIn as your own digital billboard. Whether you are looking to use LinkedIn to network, build your professional profile, or to build your business, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into 10 areas that you can work on today to help boost your LinkedIn presence. Number 1 is your profile picture. Your profile picture should be a clear, clean, head and shoulders photograph of you looking at the camera and smiling. We don't want any group pictures. We don't want any selfies with your pets. What we want here is a picture of you that is up to date and reflects your professional self as you would be if we met you at an in-person networking event. Number 2 is your headline. So your headline should be compelling. We want people to read your headline and want to be able to find out more about you. Do not just use your current job title as your headline. This is my headline here. Think of it as a way for getting the keywords out there for people to want to reach out and connect with you. Here are some really good examples. Your headline is not just your job title. It should really showcase your expertise and the skills that you are known for. For example, digital marketing specialist, SEO, and working in Greater Baltimore area. Step 3, optimizing your summary section. The summary is your story. This is where you should highlight your achievements, your skills, and what you're passionate about professionally. Use the first person and make it engaging. Do include keywords for SEO, but make it natural. Don't have like a list of bullet point keywords. I've seen that so many times. Think of this as your headline has got people to your profile, and this is your chance now to pitch to potential employers, connections, or even customers. The fourth area is your experience section, and this is where you actually get to detail out your work experience. When you're listing your experience, focus on achievements rather than your roles and responsibilities in your role. Use numbers to quantify your success. For example, increased company sales by 20% within the first year. This will show people the value that you bring. The next section is your showcasing skills and endorsements. LinkedIn will allow you to list up to 50 skills, but don't worry about adding in as many skills as you want. It is much better to have quality over quantity in this space. Choose skills that are most relevant and where you truly excel. Encourage colleagues and people that you've worked with to endorse you for these skills, adding credibility to your profile. Don't forget your education and your certificate section. Include where you went to university or college, and these can be key search terms for your recruiter, so make sure you have your degree listed. List your highest degree and any certifications or courses that showcase your commitment to continuous learning. You will see that here under licenses and certifications. You can get licenses and certifications from the body that you are, your organizational body, but you can also get them from completing courses in LinkedIn Learning. Number 7, make use of recommendations. Recommendations are personal testimonials from people in your network highlighting your work ethic and achievements. Reach out to people that you've worked with, colleagues, managers, or clients who can vouch for your work, and personalize the request, which will go a long way in getting the recommendations that you want. Step 8, engage with your network. LinkedIn is a network, so let's engage with the people we are connected to. Share industry news, write articles, comment on other people's posts. This activity will get you noticed and shows others that you are active and knowledgeable in your field. Step 9, join groups, relevant groups, and follow influencers. Expand your network by joining groups in your industry and following influencers. This not only enriches your feed with relevant content, but also connects you to like-minded people. To find the groups that you want to join, use the search bar. Regularly update your profile. Keep it up to date. Regular updates ensure your profile reflects your current skills and experiences and makes you more discoverable to potential connections. There you have it, 10 steps to update your LinkedIn profile today. Start and watch your professional network grow. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more professional tips. I would love you to leave a comment below on which step you are going to implement first.